The 2026 Ram 2500, 3500, and 5500 are completely different machines now, and not everyone's happy about it. We're talking a 10-year warranty that raises red flags, a grille that doesn't look like a Ram anymore, 8 gears instead of 6, and tech features that have owners either celebrating or deleting components from their trucks. Let's break down each transformation to understand exactly what's changed and why these decisions are proving so polarizing. Change 1. The revolutionary 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. This represents an unprecedented commitment from Ram and sets an entirely new standard in the heavy-duty truck segment. Previously, Ram offered 5-year or 60,000-mile coverage on gas models and 5 years or 100,000 miles on diesel variants. The 2026 models now extend that gas powertrain protection dramatically, covering your engine, transmission, transfer case, drive shafts, differentials, and axles for an entire decade. The polarization here is significant. Pro-warranty advocates celebrate this as proof of Ram's engineering confidence and a hedge against the rising costs of truck ownership. Critics argue the extended warranty might actually signal hidden reliability concerns, suggesting Ram felt pressured to offer longer protection to boost flagging confidence. Meanwhile, potential resale complications emerge because the warranty becomes non-transferable to second owners, meaning the truck's value proposition changes dramatically once it changes hands. This warranty extension speaks volumes about Ram's commitment, but it also raises questions that owners are actively debating in forums and dealerships across the country. Change 2. Active air grille shutters and aerodynamic enhancements. Ram has enlarged the grille design and integrated active shutters that intelligently open and close based on engine speed and load. These class-exclusive shutters adapt in real time to optimize aerodynamics and engine temperature management. The shutter system reduces unnecessary drag on highways, particularly benefiting diesel owners who spend long hours hauling heavy loads. Enthusiasts who value fuel economy improvements appreciate this technology, especially when towing over extended distances. However, this change irritates traditional truck buyers who view the altered grille as less intimidating than previous generations. Some owners have even begun deleting these shutters entirely, seeing them as unnecessary complexity that could eventually fail and create repair headaches. The grille's forward-leaning stance gives the 2026 models a distinctly different personality from prior years, and that visual departure generates strong opinions. The active grille shutters represent Ram's push toward efficiency, but they've become a lightning rod for debate about whether modern trucks should prioritize fuel economy over classic design. Change 3. Cummins 6.7-liter diesel engine with 8-speed transmission. The high-output 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel now produces 430 horsepower and delivers an industry-leading 1,075 pound-feet of torque, which is extraordinary performance. The transmission itself changed from a 6-speed to an 8-speed design specifically engineered for lower cruise RPMs and better real-world towing performance. This is where controversy emerges. The additional gears improve fuel efficiency and smoothness for drivers who prioritize comfort and highway manners, making long daily commutes more pleasant. But hardcore diesel enthusiasts argue that the older 6-speed transmission had a raw, direct feel that matched the character of the engine better. They worry about transmission complexity and long-term reliability with 8 forward gears handling enormous torque loads totaling over 1,000 pound-feet. The gear ratios have been recalibrated throughout, and while Ram engineered everything carefully, some traditionalists question whether this represents progress or unnecessary complication. The 430 horsepower output makes these trucks genuinely powerful for their class, but the gear count has become a point of heated discussion among diesel devotees. Change 4. Comprehensive LED lighting system, now standard. Ram has standardized full LED headlights, fog lights, and tail lights throughout the 2026 lineup, with signature daytime running lights available on higher trims. The lighting output is demonstrably superior to the previous halogen systems, providing better visibility and distinctly modern appearance. Safety organizations praise the improved illumination for night driving, particularly for towing applications where superior visibility matters tremendously. However, this creates genuine concern among independent technicians and owners who worry about maintenance costs. LED bulbs and modules cost significantly more to replace when they eventually fail, and some rural areas lack qualified technicians for complex LED repairs. Additionally, the aggressive styling of these new LED headlamps changes the truck's visual personality. Longtime Ram customers feel the newer units look too aggressive or almost predatory compared to the cleaner lines of previous years, representing a departure from Ram's design heritage. The LED transition improves technology, but sacrifices the familiar aesthetic that generations of Ram customers have come to recognize and appreciate. Change 5. Advanced Uconnect 5 infotainment with 14.5-inch touchscreen. This is genuinely one of the most advanced systems in the heavy-duty truck segment, offering split-screen capability, rapid response times, and exceptional customization. The available digital rearview mirror uses cameras instead of glass, providing unobstructed visibility when towing large trailers. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports including new USB-C connections, and integration with smartphone apps makes the cabin feel more like a rolling office than a traditional truck. Tech-forward buyers genuinely love this evolution, experiencing features they previously saw only in luxury vehicles. The counter-argument from conservative truck owners is sharp and specific. They argue that traditional controls and simpler interfaces are more reliable and don't distract drivers from the primary job of operating a heavy machine safely. Some worry about screen failures, leaving them stranded with worthless infotainment systems and limited manual controls for critical functions. The digital rearview mirror generates particular controversy because it depends on cameras and electronics, while traditional mirrors have worked flawlessly for decades without failure. The Uconnect 5 system represents genuine technological advancement, but it also symbolizes the growing divide between truck buyers who want modern technology and those who prefer proven simplicity. Change 6. Black Express and Warlock trims at entry-level pricing. Ram introduced the Black Express package starting at $53,735 and the Warlock variant at $57,165 on the 2500 model, both based on the entry-level tradesman platform. These trims deliver aggressive styling cues, body color bumpers and grilles, 20-inch black wheels, and modern appearance packages at accessible price points. This strategy aims to capture buyers who want visual impact without climbing into premium trim level. The polarization here is significant. Value-conscious buyers love the aggressive styling options at tradesman prices, feeling they get high-end appearance without luxury-level costs. However, this decision creates market segmentation confusion. Longtime tradesman customers who've historically chosen that trim for budget reasons now face confusion about whether to stick with traditional packages or jump to the newly appealing Express and Warlock options. Dealers report increased complexity in explaining trim differences, and some customers feel pressured into more expensive choices than they initially intended. The democratization of aggressive styling sounds positive, but it's created genuine uncertainty about what tradesman really means in the 2026 lineup. These 6 changes work together to create a fundamentally different truck. Ram is clearly targeting a dual audience. What's undeniable is that Ram has taken genuine risks with the 2026 heavy-duty lineup. Whether those risks pay off brilliantly or create long-term challenges won't become clear for several years as these trucks accumulate miles in real-world conditions. The market is split into passionate camps, those who celebrate the modernization and those who mourn what they see as unnecessary complexity replacing proven simplicity. If you're seriously considering purchasing one of these models, or you want to understand what makes them so controversial in the truck community, these 6 changes are essential context. Let us know in the comments which of these changes excites you and which ones concern you most. Thank you for watching.